Ethical hacking, a career that blends curiosity with technical skills to keep the digital world safe. But how do you become a professional ethical hacker? Let's break down the roadmap. Ethical hacking involves identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in systems, but for a good cause. Companies and organizations hire ethical hackers to test their defenses and find security holes before malicious hackers can. Step 1 is understanding the basics of networking. Ethical hackers need a solid foundation in how networks operate, including concepts like IP addresses, protocols like TCP/IP, DNS, and how data flows through a network. Learning about routers, switches, firewalls, and VPNs is crucial. Step 2 is mastering operating systems, particularly Linux and Windows. Many ethical hacking tools are built for Linux, especially distributions like Kali Linux. Get comfortable with the terminal, scripting, and basic commands. You'll also need to understand Windows security, as it's a common target in attacks. Step 3 is learning scripting and programming. Knowing how to write scripts can automate tasks and find vulnerabilities faster. Python is widely used in ethical hacking, but languages like Bash, JavaScript, and PowerShell are also important depending on the environment. Focus on writing simple scripts, but also understanding web applications and databases. Next, you need to dive into cybersecurity fundamentals. Learn about encryption, cryptography, firewalls, intrusion detection systems (IDS), and penetration testing. These concepts are critical to understanding how systems are protected and how hackers try to break them. Step 5 is mastering the tools of the trade. Tools like Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for traffic analysis, Metasploit for penetration testing, Burp Suite for web application security. These tools are essential for ethical hackers and will be your best friends in the field. To boost your credibility, it's important to get certified. Popular certifications include CH Certified Ethical Hacker, OSCP Offensive Security Certified Professional, CompTIA Security Plus. These certifications prove your skills and open doors to more job opportunities. Finally, practice is key. Use websites like Hack the Box, TryHackMe, and participate in bug bounty programs. These platforms allow you to test your skills in real-world scenarios and even earn rewards while doing it. As you progress, build a portfolio showcasing your skills, bug bounty achievements, and certifications. Ethical hacking has many paths, whether you aim to become a penetration tester, a security consultant, or a cybersecurity analyst. Becoming an ethical hacker requires dedication, practice, and continuous learning. Stick to the roadmap, and you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Subscribe for more guide on different domains of technology. Like this video and also share this video with those who want to learn ethical hacking. See you in the next informative video.